The purpose of today's informational video is to answer the most common question posed to us from doctor and dentist offices. This question is, what do we need to do to be in compliance with MIOSHA requirements? Today, myself, Kristen Osterkamp, and Janelle Thalen, two senior industrial hygienists with MIOSHA's Consultation, Education, and Training Division, will discuss how we address this question when working with employers.
So Kristen, when you get this question, where do you tell them to look?
I tell them that they can call and request a hard copy doctor and dentist office starter kit from our Lansing office at 517-284-7720, or they can go to the MIOSHA website at www.michigan.gov/MIOSHA and then click on our A to Z index on the left-hand side of the page. And then from there, they can go to D for doctor and dentist offices. Janelle, when you conduct a walk around at a doctor or dentist office, what are the most common non-compliant conditions that you find?
Well, many times we see that they're not using safer medical devices, and that's a requirement in our bloodborne infectious diseases standard. Sometimes they don't have sharps containers that are located in the areas where those sharps are being generated. And occasionally you'll find that they don't have a proper eye wash station, so that when they're using hazardous chemicals such as a high-level disinfectant, that they don't have the appropriate eye wash station available to those employees. So as far as written programs or written documentation, what kinds of things do you normally see when you're out doing surveys?
Well, I find that medical and dental offices usually do not have the required site-specific written programs, such as not having a bloodborne infectious disease exposure control plan or a written hazard communication plan, or they also don't have oftentimes a personal protective equipment job hazard assessment that is certified. Fortunately, employers can find a lot of these sample templates for these required written programs on our webpage under Publications, Forms, and Media. And then once you find Publications, Forms, and Media on the left side of our webpage, from there you can click on Sample Plans in the middle of the page. And these are the documents that can be customized by employers to meet their site-specific needs. So Janelle, where can employers find additional training information on these topics or other related MIOSHA standards?
Well, again, they can go to our website and they can go to the MTI program page, which is www.michigan.gov/MTI. And once they're there, if you do a Control F for Control Find, and then you type in a word like bloodborne, it will take you to the courses that are offered for that particular topic. Another place they can go for additional assistance with training would be to our video library. So we have a lending library where people can order the DVDs, or if you'd like to try the streaming service, we do have streaming available through the website that you can do an online streaming of a training program as well.
Excellent. Well, we covered a lot of information in this short video, and I'm hoping that employers will have the chance to review it and find it helpful.
Well, if you need additional information, please contact Consultation, Education, and Training Division at 517-284-7720 if you have any additional questions. Thank you for your attention to worker safety and health at your healthcare facilities.